Hey everyone, I'm YEGOWARRIOR, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. WYGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what I received in the April 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place, so keep on watching. Alright, so I think I got some add-ons. Maybe 3. I don't quote me on that. Hopefully it will come to my memory when holy cow, this is really heavy, and there's like, I don't know what's in here. I feel a big box. Let me stop speculating. This is quite heavy, and dive right in. So first off, let's take a look at the very see-through bag. It's very thin, but very cute. Nice little daisies and quite spring-like. All right, I'm just gonna dump everything out and see what we got. All right, so the theme this month is keep growing. Interesting. And yeah, I don't even know why. Why did they kill a tree to put in an advert? I wish they would do what BoxyCharm does, but I kind of understand why, since we get to select 3 items. It would be really hard to make all those cards for everyone. Speaking of selecting 3 items, if anyone is new to what Ipsy is, it's a beauty subscription which comes out monthly. There are 3 tiers, a $13 bag where you get sample size products. You get to select 1 item, and there may be a full-size item. I have the standard bag, which is now $28 a month. You get 5 full-size products, and you get to select 3 of the 5 items. They also have an option which is quarterly. If you choose to upgrade, you spend an additional amount of money. The bag is, I want to say, $60, $59.99, and you get to still select only 3 items, but you get 8 full-size products, and that bag is curated by an influencer or celebrity. All right, enough rambling. What is the first item? Ooh, this brand is super bougie. We have from RODIAL the Dragon's Blood Eye Gel. Okay, so it's 15 ml. This box, this is the size of a box of like a 50 ml. So I'm very curious. Yes, the packaging, how size, okay. So box is bigger than the item, and still this packaging is, yes, and I think I did it wrong. I think you pull up, yes. Oh, it's got one of those nice where you squeeze down and it shoots up. Okay, this is the most lazy girl approved type of packaging. I really enjoy it. But because I don't want to gunk up the top, let's just do it wrong and take a sniff. For some reason, I thought it would be like super over fragranced, and it's not. There's a very soft, barely there, nice, clean skincare scent, but not even a scent, just I smell something. All right, let's see how bougie expensive this product is. Okay, yes, so I selected this item and it retails for $70. Love a good eye cream. All right, next product. What is this? I can tell from the packaging this is from Dr. BRANDT, and this here is the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Wait, did I read that right? Yes, is it chlorophyll? The things in movies from the 1950s that they put on a handkerchief and put over a woman's mouth to knock her out? Yes, I'm probably wrong and crazy, but leave a comment if that's what chlorophyll is. All right, so yes, this is 105 milliliters or 3.5 fluid ounces. Let's see how much this bad boy retails for. The Dr. BRANDT cleanser retails for $35 and was put into my bag from Ipsy. All right, next item. What is this shiny thing that you won't be able to see? We have from YENSA the Super Serum Silk Foundation. Interesting size, shape, packaging for a foundation. Look how beautiful. This feels like it's glass. This is 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce, even though it's deceiving because of the skinny tallness of it. It does come with a pump. I have the shade Light Neutral. When I went to make my selections, they didn't have a lot of shades left. So it's probably going to be a little dark, but I would rather a too dark foundation I want to try than whatever else they had for me to select, which was not good. And you can always lighten. But honestly, I kind of wear a darker foundation than I probably should. That's not too bad. Keep in mind, my hand is lighter than my face. It's probably a hair too dark, but not like doable. All right, leave me a comment and let me know if you'd like to see me do a try-on video using this foundation. All right, what does this retail for? Holy cow, this retails for $45, which is fantastic to get in a box. Something I personally, unless I'm like over the moon, because I already have my Holy Grail, which only is between $9 to $10. So this for $45 would have to like erase every crepiness, dark circle, hyperpigmentation, and wrinkle off my face. And then you bet I would spend that kind of money. All right, next item. We have this guy here, which is from Clean Skin Club, and it's a vitamin C brightening booster. And I'm pretty certain, yes, this looks very familiar. I have used up an entire bottle of this before. Can I remember where I got it from? No. I want to say possibly test tube. I don't know. I'll float something on screen if I can figure that out. Did I enjoy this? Yes. Did I notice anything spectacular with my skin? No. Do I notice anything spectacular with my skin using any skincare product? No. Mainly, I don't recall hating this. Therefore, yay. And this was an item that Ipsy put into my bag. All right. And the last item, we have a sad looking item where the plastic's falling off. What are you? This is from Sandbar Mirage. Or is that the name of the item? Hold on. Let me look on the app. I have no idea who this is from. Okay, so the brand is Sandbar. The name of the palette is Mirage. That is a beautiful, very neutral, right up my alley color story. The size of this palette is tiny. When I made my choices, I honestly thought this would be the size of like a Hip Dot or Beauty Bakery type palette. Particularly since it has 6 pans, but the pans are very, very, very tiny. It is very cute. Can eyeshadows be cute? All right, let me stop rambling. Let's do some swatches. All right, so perfect YGO friendly everyday neutrals palette. I did select this eyeshadow palette and it retails for $26, which for the size, I'm glad I got it in my Ipsy, but ooh, $26. $3 more, you could get a Huda palette. Okay, and I did pick up 3 add-ons. I won't bore you with what I got. I picked up 2 brushes, and I want to say this brush here, some people got in either BoxyCharm, maybe it was Ipsy, as like one of their full-size items. Maybe I'm wrong, but let me know if you saw anyone. So 2 brushes, and let me show you this next item. And then I got this duo here from Pacifica. I have a similar product. It has blush on one side, contour or bronzer on the other. And I'm not going to blind you, but the other side has a mirror. This is what I use every single day to put my makeup on when I'm not filming. So when I saw they had this for $3.50, plus it's a blush and I wanted to try their highlighter, I snatched that puppy up. All right, let's recap what came in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I got a vitamin C brightening booster, a cleanser from Dr. BRANDT, a small eyeshadow palette from a brand called Sandbar, an eye cream from RODIAL, and a serum foundation from YENSA. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, even though it was heavier on skincare than makeup, this was a really good box. I love an eye cream, And I love this Lazy Girl approved packaging. I have used this before and enjoyed it, so is it the best product to get? No, but I know I'll use it and enjoy it. I love Dr. BRANDT. Do I need another cleanser? No, but will I use it? Yes. Is this eyeshadow smaller than one would expect? Mm-hmm. Will I still use and enjoy this color story? You bet. And I'm most excited about this Serum foundation from YENSA, just because in general I love complexion products, and we don't get very many, or we don't get them very frequently from Ipsy. So yes, let me know your thoughts. I'm gonna list the MSRP value of this box, which Ipsy comes through. What, the eye cream was 70, this was 45. I mean, we're already over $100 with 2 items. So this is a very good box, but let me know your thoughts. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.